See, I just crawled up on this suitcase, didn't I? Come here. Come on, Chloe. Be careful. Whoa! Kaboom! Kaboom! You can crawl back up, huh? Yeah. Hi. Can you see? I know. Tell me what else is going on. You talk a lot. Be careful. You're so graceful. Come on. Come here, Chloe. Whoa. Yay! Chloe, how big are you? So big. Look at you standing by yourself. Woo! Kaboom. Chloe, can you do so big? Chloe, you just want to keep up and down that. Say so big. Chloe. No. No. No, no, no. Oh, you don't listen to me anyway. No, you don't. Chloe. You want to take all the clothes out. So big. You're not going to do it on cue, are you? Chloe. So big. You are such a stinkers. But Grandma's going to love, Grammy, not Grandma. Grammy's going to love this, that you're taking everything out. She's probably like, ha 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 ha, Mommy has to clean it up. I'm going bye-byes. Bye. Bye. Whoa! You really like Mommy, don't you? Can you stand up? Let's try to get you walking on video. Can you stand up? Hi. Bye-byes. Bye, Chloe. Bye. What? What'd you say? Say hi, Grammy. Can you give Grammy a kiss? Mwah. I just gave your Grammy a kiss. Chloe, which piggy went to the market? Which little piggy went to the market? Say, that's not cool, Mom. I just want to get rid of these clothes. Whoa, be careful. Say, be careful. Hey. All right, Chloe, let's walk. Come here, Chloe. Oh, that suitcase. What is so cool about that? Bye, Chloe. Bye. Come on. Come here. What? Come here. Whoa. Come here. Kaboom. Kaboom. I want you to walk for a minute. Can you walk? Uh-oh, we closed the door. You want me to open the door? All right, let's open the door. Go ahead. What do you want to do now? This video is going to be about 4 minutes long for Grammy. She misses you, you know it. What's next? Uh-oh. You can open the door. Go ahead, open it. Come on, Chloe. You know how to open the door. Yay! Oh, you found your nook. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye, Mom.